Okay. Well done, sir. What's the name of your community?
Aven.
Oh, this is Aven Town. Please, can you tell us what is happening and what the problem is right now?
Now, the flood disaster don't begin to cover the whole community, and we have nowhere to go. Even both the land farm, both our children, two of my child have died these few days because of the water, and nothing that we can eat now to survive for this life. So I want government to come and aid us because of we are unpaid, we are dying now. Even we have nowhere to go. Let government should come and save us.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Building is dead. The house just fell on top of the old man and he's dead. We just buried him just recently today. So I'm the youth president of this town, and what I'm seeing now is beyond control. So I'll plead the government to do something about this situation now, because the children are dying. Even our parents too are dying. Even my dad, he has about 3 fish ponds. Recently, water just covered everywhere, and all the fish is dead. About 1,000 fishes. It's not only my dad; some other people around the community. Even their fish pond everywhere was filled with water. So we need the government to come and assist us. We don't have any place to stay, so government should provide places for us to stay, and they should also give us food to eat. Even our cassava farms are filled with water. So many farms. No fish to eat, no gari to eat. So we need the government to come and help us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. What is your name?
Comrade Inafia Emmanuel, youth president of Avian communities.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
God water, God water. Backfire. Back to stand down, not our water, not our own. The water not our own. Make it a video in a certain video with particular like that place where I can't take away, can't talk with you like this. I say, our children and I would try for. They never can enjoy their life. We don't know. God, I beg. God, we pray you. Even people who say they open water, they come, we pray. Make them, I beg them. I beg them. We don't know. I beg them. Okay. I beg make them come out to the water. Make our children that they come to do their life. Make our children that they come to their life.
I don't cross enter that side before.
Yes.